Attention, chefs, this is your 5-minute warning. You have 5 minutes left.
A take on the University Classic grilled cheese.
A vegetarian chili. 1 pot Italian pasta.
For our grand opening events, we brought together UBC Okanagan executives with our student union leadership to have a cooking contest and really invited them to live out some of the values that we're trying to articulate through Picnic. So low cost, healthy, community. It really was a fun way to bring people together to demonstrate what the space was about.
I think the cook-off was a super fun event for students. The future for students' food security and food learning is going to be bright.
It's great that such a good partnership with the SUO and UBC has created this whole project in space, which I think has a lot of potential to, one, bridge some gaps in the food security problems that we know all students are facing, but most importantly, do it in a fun way.
What's that sign behind you say?
It's more than just food. The reason we love the name Picnic is because people know when you throw out a picnic blanket, they're going to gather around food, they're going to have great conversation, they're going to make some new friends, and that's really what we want this space to be about. We're going to include a lot of different programs and services for students.
I'm a campus health specialist and my role is food programming in this space, and we offer different food programs including food skill workshops every week and community meals where we gather together. We heard from students they really want more community building around meals, and we're also offering breakfast programs, so grab and go items for students on the way to class.
I think this space has a lot of opportunity for being a place where people can gather to talk about things outside of food. We're going to be doing a lot of programming about wellness activities. I personally have drop-in hours on Wednesdays 12 to 2 called Nurse on Campus. This is time for students to come by and ask just general health questions in an effort to make it a little more accessible, just so that we can kind of reach the student body where they're at in a less intimidating environment.
I'm hoping that this is a space where students feel comfortable coming into accessing a number of health resources, especially for harm reduction. And we know that drug use can be quite stigmatizing, and hopefully having this as part of more of an integrated health space helps people understand that substance use is just a bigger part of taking care of our health.
The purpose of the endowment fund is to support the health and well-being of youth and children in the central Okanagan. So of course the application that came from the UBC Okanagan was very fitting, and it is the exact iteration of what community collaboration really means.